Welcome back, Sweden, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Sunday, April the 18th. It's time for our weekly COVID-19 vaccine roll report for your country of Sweden. If you haven't done so already, by all means, click the share button, share this video with one person, and of course, as always, click subscribe and click like. So let's go take a look at the vaccine roll report first for Sweden. I'll just remind you, one source I read says it takes roughly a 50% full vaccination rate to really begin to see the numbers turn around. Okay, so here you can see currently you have administered 2.3 million doses so far. 1.6 million people have received a single dose, and 649,000 plus have received a full dosage. About 17% of the people received a single dose, and about 6% have received a full dosage. So you have a long way to go, Sweden, if the 50% full vaccination rate is correct. Okay, so that concludes part one of today's reports. Sorry, Sweden, my mind kind of wandered there for a second. Let's take a look at the numbers for Sweden. I will remind you that Sweden only records cases and deaths Tuesday through Friday for some unexplained reason. So that, of course, produces a huge spike on Tuesday. Okay, and these spikes here are all the Tuesday numbers. And again, the Tuesday numbers include Saturday, Sunday, and Mondays also. So the actual number is closer to these numbers down here. So let's look at a 2080 moving average. You can see here that number dropped from over 30,000 cases in a single day to about an average of 6,000. But you can see cases are continuing to increase. Deaths, well, let's take a look here. It does appear to be a slight decline as of 4/3. You're averaging 18.7 deaths per day. Weekly cases showing an increase, and weekly deaths showing an increase. Weekly cases and weekly deaths. Now we're going to compare Sweden to the three countries and we're going to compare Sweden to the 500 countries in the EU that have a similar population size, and you can see that Sweden has a third. This group has the third most total cases at over 100,000. Deaths, you can see Sweden has the third most deaths with over 2,000, with about 2,500 deaths so far total. These are daily cases split out by those 6 countries, and daily deaths split out by those 6 countries. This is cumulative totals, cases, cumulative deaths. You can see a slight flattening here, maybe, okay? Cumulative cases split out by country, cumulative deaths split out by country. So Sweden, you still have some work to do. Cases and deaths are continuing to trend up a little bit, But keep working on that vaccine rollout. Really start hammering that. Get the most vulnerable people vaccinated first. Okay. But anyway, Sweeney, if you found this report helpful today, click the share button. Share this video with one person today. Okay. And also, of course, click that subscribe button if you hadn't done so already. Thank you so much, Sweden. We'll catch you in a few days with an updated report.